salutes would be given to visiting ships or dignitaries, to mark a national holiday, or to announce the news of an important victory. This place remained in constant military use until 1956, when its saluting guns were silenced forever. After that time, its history gradually faded away, till 2004, when the battery was restored back to its former glory by Fondazione Wert Artner, the Malta Heritage Trust, with the assistance of the Malta Tourism Authority and the Bank of Valletta. Since then, its guns have unfailingly heralded the passage of midday on a daily basis, as you will witness today. Please note that immediately after the firing of the noon gun, you can visit this battery and see its fantastic collection of historic cannon spanning 2 centuries. Entrance is via the steps at the back of the balcony or the side entrance in Battery Street when this is open. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope that the gun was loud enough and that you've enjoyed today's firing. May I kindly suggest that you give a good round of applause to our boys in uniform for their splendid display.